How to block no caller ID on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to block no caller ID on iPhone. To start the process, open your phone in your mobile device. Here, tap on Contacts in the middle of your screen. Now tap on plus icon in your top right corner. Then enter the name as no caller ID. After that, tap on Add Phone. Now enter that phone number here. Scroll down and you can also add more details about that number. After that, tap on Done. As you can see, our contact is saved as no caller ID. Then scroll down and tap on Block this caller. Here, tap on Block Contact. As you can see, this caller has been blocked. This is how you can block no caller ID on an iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.